And guys, here it is. Everything's put back in place and it's nice and firm in here. Perfect. I love it. What is up, everybody? Today I'm gonna install the phone mount by Course Motorsports and I'm super excited. I just removed my center console, if you want to call it, and just did it using these plastic pieces that I had used for installing my window tints. I put one in on top and one on the bottom and pulled it towards me and it came off easily. Next thing I'm gonna do is take off this trim here so that we can hook it up. Alright, so I just pulled it off from this corner and then took it out from all sides. Now, there it is. I'm gonna unscrew that and install the phone mount and then put everything back together. Alrighty, it's in there. Just tighten that screw. Time to put everything back. But before that, here's the lock ring. I'm just gonna slide over this and gonna put this and then tighten up, and that's how it is. And guys, here it is. Everything's put back in place and it's nice and firm in here. Perfect. I love it. It also comes with 2 magnets, so you can insert it behind your phone case, and that's how it works.